Hi everybody, my name's Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. Today I'm going to talk about Olney, and I managed to pick one up on a auction site which was, I guess, a little bit unloved. I've restored it, reshaped it and steamed it and given it a bit of stiffening, and let's have a look at the hat. It's brown. It's got a lovely freestanding top, which sort of gives it a nice crown look there. We've got a very nice structured pinch at the front, and of course it snaps down at the front, or you can in fact wear it up, and it does shape up, or I prefer a trilby with it down, and it is more of a trilby than a fedora really, because it's got a fairly tight brim here. Let's see how wide it is. So the brim size is about 5.5 centimeters. The crown is 10 at the front and just 10.5 at the rear. The grosgrain ribbon that's on there is really quite a small grosgrain. So let's have a look. That's about 1.5 centimeters. So quite a dainty ribbon on this one. And inside, we've got a very nice lining. And to be fair, this one's really very clean and not been used that much. So it's a nice leather sweatband, and as you expect, it's got in there pure fur felt, and on the other side, genuine leather band. Not quite sure why you want to put that in there, but they do. It's a size 57, and just have a look and see how that comes up in old money. So that comes up to a just over a 7 1/16. So that's it's just under 7 1/8. So probably 7 1/16, which is like a 22-inch hat band. So this one's up for sale at the moment on one of the auction sites. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.